are coming in from the INDI members as PM's prediction found no takers in the opposition. The INDI alliance leaders are confident of a thundering win for the anti-BJP bloc, repeating BJP South mein saaf, North mein half pitch. Congress bigwigs have said that it was in fact PM Modi whose days are numbered as the Prime Minister of India. We have more reactions coming in, and that's what the INDI bloc has said. The Congress party and other leaders are saying that while the Prime Minister is exuding confidence that he will come back to power on June 4th, it is the INDI bloc that has hit back now, and we have some reactions pouring in. We have Ankit also joining us from the newsroom. Yes, Ankit.
Aditi, so Jairam Ramesh tweets, with 3 phases of the elections now concluded, voting for 283 seats is over. Here's the roundup of the campaign. It's very clear, number 1, that the BJP is South mein saaf, North mein half. 2, consequently, the PM is betraying increasing signs of nervousness. His language is getting more and more desperate. 3, in fact, the PM and the BJP have no positive campaign. This time, Modi ki guarantee, which PM liberally used public funds to peddle, has been given a silent burial. 4, in contrast, Congress's positive campaign has been robust and fully fleshed out. So much so we have hijacked the BJP's election campaign. 5, hopefully the EC will publish without delay the final voter turnout figures for phase 3. He says the undercurrent for the INDI coalition is all set to sweep the NDA off its feet. June 4 is coming. Akhilesh Yadav, ally, says 3 phases have made the BJP history. They have consigned the BJP to history. Massive voting in support of the India alliance in the 3rd phase has proved no matter how much conspiracy BJP does, the public will still cast their vote. In 3 phases, the public has thrown BJP out of the country's politics for 3 decades, that is 30 years. In total 7 phases, the public will throw BJP out for the next 70 years. And lastly, KC Venugopal also says, as feedback comes from across all seats that voted in phase 3, it is becoming clear as date that the BJP is staring at a historic defeat. It is a symptom of Modi's desperation and paranoia. He is now witnessing the ground slip from under his feet. The people of India, however, have decided to defeat the BJP and elect a pro-people government that will undo the damage done to India's democracy and revive India's economy for the poor and middle classes. It is an India wave, and Modi's days as PM are numbered.
Right, Ankit. We also have some reactions coming in from the Congress party. Listen in.
बुनियादी बात यह है, बदलाव होगा। ऐसा है कि तीसरे चरण के मतदान के बाद ये साफ हो जाएगा कि बीजेपी दक्षिण में बिल्कुल साफ है, उत्तर में हाफ है। 4 जून 2024 को ये देश एक नए सवेरे का इंतजार कर रहा है। वो सुबह होगी और इंडिया गठबंधन की सरकार बनेगी। चाहे वो क्या कहते हैं, 1000 दिन का प्लान दे, बुनियादी बात यह है, बदलाव होगा।